Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today channel, Sreyoun is going to present you about teaching methodology and my topic is cooperative learning. Also I have a special guest today is teacher Kung Bora. He has been teaching for years and he has quite much experience on our topic today. Please welcome to teacher Kung Bora.
Thank you, Miss Rani, and thank you, everyone.
Nice to meet you, teacher Bora. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm so good. Thank you. And you?
I'm not bad. Thank you. However, are you a teacher of English?
Yes, of course.
May I ask you some questions related to the teaching methodology?
Why not?
What is cooperative learning?
Cooperative learning is a successful teaching strategy in which small teams, each with students of different levels of ability, use a variety of learning activities to improve their understanding of a subject. Each member of a team is responsible not only for learning what is taught but also for helping teammates learn, thus creating an atmosphere of achievement.
Why use cooperative learning?
Documented results include improved academic achievement, improved behavior and attendance, increased self-confidence and motivation, and increased liking of school and classmates. Cooperative learning is also relatively easy to implement and is inexpensive.
How does cooperative learning work?
Here are some typical strategies that can be used with any subject, in almost any grade, and without a special curriculum. 1. Group investigations are structured to emphasize higher-order thinking skills such as analysis and evaluation. Students work to produce a group project, which they may have a hand in selecting. 2. Student Teams Achievement Divisions is used in grades 2-12. Students with varying academic abilities are assigned to 4- or 5-member teams in order to study what has been initially taught by the teacher and to help each reach his or her highest level of achievement. Students are then tested individually. Teams earn certificates or other recognition based on the degree to which all team members have progressed over their past records. 3. Jigsaw 2 is used with narrative material in grades 3-12. Each team member is responsible for learning a specific part of a topic. After meeting with members of other groups, who are expert in the same part, the experts return to their own groups and present their findings. Team members then are quizzed on all topics.
What are some examples of specific programs?
These are just a few of the successful programs available that use specially developed material. 1. Team Accelerated Instruction (TI) in mathematics, an elementary, individualized program that provides direct instruction within a cooperative learning setting, emphasizing concepts, real-life problems, and manipulatives. TI is for grades 3-6 and older students not ready for algebra. 2. Cooperative Integrated Reading and Composition (CIRC), a comprehensive approach to reading and writing/language arts for grades 2-6 that integrates the latest reading research findings with the essential components that make cooperative learning so successful. 3. Success for All, a school-wide program for grades pre-K through 5 that strives to ensure that every child will be performing at grade level in reading, writing, and math by 3rd grade and will be able to maintain grade level from then on. 4. Finding Out/Descubrimiento, a science and math curriculum for bilingual Spanish-English students in grades 2 through 5.
What else does cooperative learning do?
Schools are using similar strategies with both students and teachers to do the following. 1. Develop and use critical thinking skills and teamwork. 2. Promote positive relations among different ethnic groups. 3. Implement peer coaching. 4. Establish environments where academic accomplishments are valued. And even 5. Cooperatively manage schools.
What else does the research say?
More than 70 major studies by federally sponsored research centers, field-initiated investigations, and local districts examining their own practices have demonstrated cooperative learning's effectiveness on a range of outcomes. 1. Student achievement. When two necessary key elements, group goals and individual accountability, are used together, the effects on achievement are consistently positive. 2. Improved relations among different ethnic groups. One of the earliest and strongest findings shows that students who cooperate with each other like each other. 3. mainstreaming students with learning disabilities. Significant improvements in relationships occur between these students and other children in their class when these learning strategies are used. That's all about cooperative learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Teacher Bora, for your sharing knowledge, and I strongly believe that the topic today is useful for learners and other teachers also.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dance Sreyoun, in order to get more videos. Thank you.